Yeah, under the moon by the woodland side, a story of trust, a story of life. In a cottage by the flowers, where the hummingbirds would sing, lived a maiden with a heart of gold and dreams on gentle wings. She had a door of sturdy oak and a latch she held so dear, keeping all her hopes inside, protecting them from fear. The night wind whispered softly through the branches overhead, but she stayed behind her doorway, listening instead. Lift the latch and let the light come through. There's a whole wide world waiting for you. Though the road may bend and the storm clouds fly, faith can teach your heart to try. Lift the latch and let your spirit roam. Carry love wherever you call home. Every door you open wide leaves a little fear behind. Then a traveler came one evening as the sunset painted gold, with stories from the mountains and adventures yet untold. He said, girl, I seek no treasure and I seek no crown tonight, only shelter from the darkness and a place beside your light. She listened to his promise while her heartbeat moved in time, wonder dancing with her caution deep inside her mind. Lift the latch and let the light come through. There's a whole wide world waiting for you. Though the road may bend and the storm clouds fly, faith can teach your heart to try. Lift the latch and let your spirit roam. Carry love wherever you call home. Every door you open wide leaves a little fear behind. Steel pan ringing in the midnight glow, stories floating where the candle shadows flow. Sometimes the blessing comes disguised as a stranger passing by. The lock was never made to hide your soul, only help you choose where your love should go. When the dawn begins to rise, you'll see the world with different eyes. Lift the latch and let the light come through. There are new horizons calling you. Every lesson, every mile adds another reason to smile. Lift the latch and let your spirit soar. Life becomes much bigger than before, with courage in your hands today. You'll find your own beautiful way. Now the maiden walks the gardens far beyond her cottage door, still carrying the light within, forever seeking more.